Hey guys, so we have a new smartphone gimbal in town, and this time we have Insta360 FLOW 2 with AI tracker kit. And I'm not going to give you guys any random review, but I'm going to give you a very useful review because I'm going to compare Insta360 FLOW 2 against DJI OM7P with multifunctional modules. So it's going to be apple to apple comparison. So let's go. These days the smartphone gimbals are tiny and pocketable. So this is Insta360 FLOW 2 and this is DJI OM7P. So they are pretty much similar in size. This velvety bag is a bit softer, but they both do the job. The composition is basically the same. The tracker, holder, folded gimbal, holder and tracker. Both Insta360 FLOW 2 and DJI OM7P are folded. They both have hidden tripods. With Insta360 FLOW 2, you open up the tripod legs one by one. DJI OM7P tripod legs come out all at the same time, so it's convenient. But the legs of Insta360 FLOW 2 are much longer than my big size phone, so it is more stable than shorter legged tripod. To set up the gimbal, both gimbals just need unfolding, very simple. If you use app a lot, then Insta360 FLOW 2's NFC function helps you get into Insta360 app instantly. Now let's talk about AI tracking. Both trackers work in similar ways. The lights are clearly visible in both the front and back light, and these trackers can be facing front selfie way or facing the other side, allowing me to use the back camera of the phone. I've activated both AI trackers, and actually those AI trackers, they work really well, both Insta360 FLOW 2 and DJI OM7P. However, one thing that I did notice is that when I am at a distance, then I actually prefer the framing of Insta360 FLOW 2. DJI OM7P tend to show more of the ground, whereas the horizon in Insta360 FLOW 2 remain more or less the same level. So the framing, especially at a bit of distance, I personally prefer Insta360 FLOW 2, but it's up to you, so have a look at this particular AI tracking where I go quite far. So I'm inside Insta360 app. So let's start recording. I'm just using the joystick. And if I press the trigger button once, then it will start tracking me. The great thing is you can use the Pro framing grid while you're recording as well. So I'm gonna put myself here, maybe here. I'm gonna put myself here. So I'll introduce a plane behind me. Pro framing grid in Insta360 app is very helpful. In this video, I don't want to be at the center. Instead, Pro framing grid feature helps me to be located at the side. The app is tracking me very well, but it allows the airplane, which is the main subject. Another cool feature of Insta360 app is that you can use another phone, a second phone, to remote control the app. So here, if you press this, then you get the QR code, which the other phone can scan. So I'm gonna scan. It says connecting. Oh, and activate. Oh, and I can see myself. Can you see? Yeah, I can see myself on the phone. So I can actually use the back camera. I can see myself, which is great. Just on the other phone, on the spare phone. And of course I have my tracking on, which I can always delete if I want, or I can start tracking myself again. So this is a fighter jet. So proud. Retired fighter jet in a park. This is super convenient. In this beautiful park, with a big surrounding, you want to get your Insta360 FLOW 2 out because it also works as the selfie stick. So very simple to use. Of course, unfold and NFC mode to get the Insta360 app instantly started, and just stick. And I just need to get the selfie stick out and get the correct angle. If I want to get the selfie camera out, actually it's already on selfie camera, which is great. And I'm just going to track myself so it will readjust. Great. And of course you can use the joystick, and 3-click on this switch button gets into the photo to video, video to photo. So I'm ready to take a beautiful shot. I usually like to get the tracking off, then I can readjust with the joystick. Okay. I'm gonna get my shot here. It's so beautiful on the other side. I was controlling the gimbals with all the buttons at the main body of the gimbals. Both Insta360 FLOW 2 and DJI OM7P have every button that I need at the center, so all of them are approachable by my thumb. But I personally prefer the design of FLOW 2 thanks to its sleek design. Everything is at the center, so even the controlling wheel can easily be moved with my thumb with a very smooth action. DJI also has Selfie Stick. It's just a teeny bit longer. It's pretty much the same size. By the way, inside the app, don't forget to use the beauty mode. Previously, I had it off. So this is me, sort of real face. But of course, I'd like to have my beauty mode though, with beautiful skin. It really helps. Both Insta360 app and DJI Mimo app offer beauty mode at 1080p video resolution. You can change the parameters in both apps. I'm just showing you the slight difference in results. See what you prefer for yourself. Then I'd like to take you guys to the video function because there is the teleprompter feature. So this is excellent if you guys are, lecturing or giving some important speech, or you want to make sure you have all the bullet points while you are doing live, then you can go for the teleprompter. So with this teleprompter feature, then of course you can scroll up and down and also write anything that you want to have it on the teleprompter. So I can write hello. So here I've actually edited the content of the teleprompter so I can make sure that I speak out all the important points about Insta360 FLOW 2 with teleprompter feature in Insta360 app. And also don't miss out the gesture mode by pressing. Of course, this is for taking photos, start recording, and this is for tracking, which I've shown you plenty of times while I was doing tracking. You can turn it on if you want. So let me take a photo. It's very instant. So I've had fun time playing with Insta360 FLOW 2, which has all the features that you need, that you want in smartphone gimbal. And it comes with a cheaper price compared to other competitors out there. So why not check out this excellent new smartphone gimbal by clicking the link down below, and I'll come back with other interesting gadget review. So see you. I love this beauty mode. It's amazing. Ciao.